Hello and welcome to Falcon HVAC's YouTube channel. Today we will be going over filtration. All Falcon installed HVAC systems have some type of filtration installed. All filters, regardless of size, shape, or thickness, have a directional arrow showing which way to install it. The arrow will always point in the direction of the system. Not all filters are created equal, and some could be a tighter or looser fit depending on manufacturer construction. With regards to a tighter or looser fit, generally this is determined by the thickness of cardboard the manufacturer has decided to use around the outside perimeter of the filter. When talking about filtration installations, Falcon installs many types. These are some of the most common types you will see. First is the slide door. In this application, you will grab the handle and slide it upwards. You will then be able to slide the filter out to replace. When reinstalling the door, make sure the tabs on the door slide into the tabs on either side of the filter slot. Second is a hinged door. In this application, you will grab the handle and open towards the left or right depending on which side the hinges are on. You will then be able to slide the filter out and replace. Third is a tension fit door. In this application, you will grab the handle and pull straight back towards yourself. You will then be able to slide the filter out to replace. When reinstalling the door, make sure the upper and lower tabs clip over the outer edges of the filter slot. In a ceiling or wall application, you will have a filter grill. To open, you will first locate the locking tabs. Gently pull these tabs outwards and pull the grill into the open position. You will now be able to remove the filter. If using a filter that seems smaller from side to side, there are adjustment tabs around the inside edge of the frame that can be adjusted for a more secure fit. To adjust, simply wedge a flat object behind the tab and bend the tab outwards. The arrow should again be installed pointing back towards the system. If you happen to notice a noise from the grill every time the indoor HVAC fan turns on and off, then the tabs probably will need to be adjusted as the filter seems to be moving. Media filtration uses a thicker filter but does not have to be changed as often as a regular 1-inch filter. To replace, you will grab the handle and pull towards you. With the door removed, slide out the filter and replace. Some manufacturers use a special rail system for their filters. Make sure the filter is hooked into the proper slots on both the upper and lower rails. Always note the airflow arrow should point towards the system. Also, when putting the door back on, always make sure that any clips or hooks that have to go in a specific way for the door to reattach are properly installed. An electronic air cleaner, or EAC, uses electrostatic to filter the air. To clean, you will first have to turn power off via the switch on the EAC. Next, grab the handle and pull towards you. Inside, you will find electric cells with plastic handles on them. Use the handles to pull out both electric cells. On either side of the electric cells, you will find 2 pre- and 2 post filters. These will need to be removed as well. You should now have a total of 6 pieces. There are multiple methods of cleaning as detailed in your manufacturer guides that have been left in the information rack attached to your ductwork. Once clean and ready to reinstall, you will put the pre and post filters back in the original locations they came from. The electrifying plate must be on the top side of the electric cell when put back in. The airflow arrow should again be pointing at your system. The groove on the bottom of the cell must also line up with the factory installed plastic tab in the bottom of the EAC rack. Reinstall the door and turn power back on.